I want to welcome back all returning and new employees. Our returning employees are here to set a great example and show what teamwork's all about. New employees here to learn from them and add to the great experience.
It feels good to be back after a long winter.
One of the greatest assets J&W has is its employees. Our employees are driven. They're driven to do their best. They work hard every day and constantly are looking to improve.
You are an integral part of what makes J&W Asphalt produce quality products day in and day out.
Anyone can say they're the best, but we show it through our hard work, dedication, and drive.
Our employees take pride in their work, and it shows.